Put your hands together for Shaurya Hooda.
Of course, a very good evening, respected sir and all my dear friends. My name is Shaurya. Today my topic of discussion is my favorite book. My favorite book is Grammar Guru. It is written by Umesh Arora sir.
Look at the camera.
It has many topics like sentences, tenses, models, apostrophes, question tags, etc. This book has many knowledge to learn English.
This book has a lot of knowledge to learn.
This book has lot of knowledge to learn English. I also learn English from this book. Thank you for listening to me.
Very nice, very nice. Good performance.
Day by day he is improving. Shaurya Hooda from SD Public School, Jagadan. Am I right?